In this video, we're going to show you how to file a tax return using Xero, a powerful accounting software that simplifies the process for small businesses and individuals alike. By the end, you'll be ready to complete your tax filing with ease. And the best part? You can try Xero for free with an exclusive bonus, so make sure to check out the link in the description below. Now, Xero is an online accounting software that helps you manage finances, track your expenses, and file tax returns, all in one platform. It's especially great for businesses, but also works for individuals looking to manage their taxes without any headaches. Let's get right into it. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is set up your Xero account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your accounting. If you're new to Xero, don't worry. It's user-friendly and offers lots of helpful guidance throughout. The next step is to link your tax information with Xero. This will be the foundation of your tax return, so make sure all your business income, expenses, and other relevant data are correctly entered into the system. Xero allows you to connect your bank accounts, so transactions will automatically sync, reducing manual input and making the whole process smoother. Once your financial data is in place, it's time to set up your tax settings. Xero allows you to set up the tax rates that apply to your specific business or personal situation. You can customize your tax settings for different types of taxes, such as sales tax or VAT. This customization helps you accurately file your tax return with the right figures, ensuring you avoid any costly mistakes. Now comes the fun part, actually filing your tax return. Xero makes this part easy by letting you create and submit your return directly through the platform. You simply navigate to the tax section and choose the tax return you need to file. Xero will pre-fill many of the details for you, using the information you've already entered. You'll then review the return for accuracy, ensuring that everything looks right before submission. If you're unsure about any part of the tax return, Xero has helpful guides and resources to support you. You can also use the built-in tools to run reports and verify your numbers. This feature helps you double-check everything before you submit it to the tax authorities. Once you're confident with your tax return, Xero allows you to submit it directly to the relevant tax office. This means you don't need to worry about paper forms or manually entering data into government portals. The whole process is streamlined and more efficient. Now, if you want to make sure you're getting the most out of Xero, there's one more feature you should know about. Its integration with other tools. Xero can sync with a wide range of other applications, including payroll systems, invoicing software, and inventory management tools. This means everything works seamlessly together, which can save you even more time. Remember, Xero is a powerful accounting solution that's incredibly easy to use, whether you're filing a tax return or managing your daily financial tasks. If you're new to Xero, don't hesitate to explore all its features and feel free to reach out for support when you need it. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive link below to get Xero for free and enjoy the bonus trial period. This offer is available only for our viewers, so make sure you grab it while you can. In summary, Xero is a great solution for filing your tax returns efficiently and accurately. By following the steps we covered today, you'll be able to file your taxes with confidence and save time doing so. If you found this video helpful, check out the description for the free trial link and start using Xero for all your accounting needs today.